So you've heard all the buzz about ChatGPT. Maybe you think it's just a fancy chatbot or a tool for writing college essays. But let me tell you, it's so much more than that, especially for marketers like us. Think of ChatGPT as your tireless 24/7 marketing assistant who never needs a coffee break. It's a powerful AI, a large language model created by OpenAI that can understand what you ask and generate human-like text in response. It can write, brainstorm, translate, summarize, and even code. It's like having a whole team of junior writers and researchers at your fingertips, ready to execute your commands instantly. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's a practical tool that is changing the digital marketing landscape right now, in 2025. Why does this matter so much for an affiliate marketer? Because content is the engine of affiliate marketing. Your success depends on your ability to create a massive amount of high-quality, persuasive content that builds trust and drives clicks. Before AI, this was a slow, expensive process. You either had to write everything yourself, which takes forever, or hire expensive writers. Now ChatGPT levels the playing field. It allows a single person, maybe someone just starting out with a small budget, to produce the same volume of content as a large agency. It helps you overcome writer's block, generate fresh ideas, and scale your operations faster than you ever thought possible. The real value here is speed and scale. Imagine you want to target a new niche. In the past, you'd spend weeks researching keywords, outlining articles, and writing blog posts. With ChatGPT, you can do that research and get first drafts for 10 blog posts in a single afternoon. This acceleration is a complete game changer. It means you can test more ideas, enter more niches, and build more affiliate assets in less time. You can spend less time on the tedious task of writing from a blank page and more time on high-level strategy, like building partnerships, analyzing your data, and optimizing your funnels for better conversions. This is how you gain a competitive edge. So let's be clear. ChatGPT isn't here to replace you, it's here to augment you. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the person using it. You are still the strategist, the editor, and the human connection behind your brand. The AI handles the heavy lifting of content creation, but you provide the direction, the personal insights, the unique voice, and the final polish that makes the content truly connect with an audience. By embracing ChatGPT, you're not taking a shortcut. You're taking a smarter path to building a profitable affiliate marketing business. You're working smarter, not just harder, and that's the key to winning in today's fast-paced, digital world. Let's get down to specifics. How exactly does this AI tool help you make more affiliate commissions? It all comes down to content creation at every stage of your customer's journey. Affiliate marketing is about guiding a potential customer from awareness to a final purchase. ChatGPT can create the content you need for every single one of those steps. It's not just about writing a blog post, it's about building an entire ecosystem of content that works together to convert visitors into buyers. This comprehensive support is what makes it so incredibly powerful for affiliates who are often juggling multiple roles at once. First, think about the top of your funnel, attracting an audience. This is where you need blog posts, social media updates, and maybe even video scripts to capture attention. ChatGPT is a master at brainstorming relevant topics that your target audience is searching for. You can ask it for 10 blog post ideas for beginners interested in drone photography, and it will deliver. Then, you can ask it to create a detailed outline for each of those ideas, complete with H2 and H3 subheadings. This alone saves hours of work. From there, it can write the first draft of the actual article, which you can then edit and personalize with your own experiences and affiliate links. Next, consider the middle of the funnel, where you build a relationship and nurture your leads. This is where email marketing and lead magnets come in. You can use ChatGPT to create a compelling lead magnet, like a free ebook titled The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Choosing Your First Drone. It can write the entire book for you. Then, it can write the email sequence that you send to people after they download it. It can craft a welcome email, a series of educational emails that provide value, and finally, a promotional email that recommends a specific drone and links to your affiliate partner. Each email can be tailored to build trust and gently guide the subscriber toward a purchase. Finally, at the bottom of the funnel, you need content that pushes for the sale. This includes things like detailed product reviews, comparison articles like DJI Mini 4 Pro versus Autel Evo Nano Plus, and best of listicles, such as the 5 best drones for under $500 in 2025. ChatGPT excels at structuring these types of posts. You can feed it the product specifications and ask it to write a persuasive review that highlights the pros and cons. You can ask it to create a comparison table that makes it easy for readers to see the differences between products. This targeted, high-intent content is often what provides the final nudge a customer needs to click your affiliate link and make a purchase. Alright, let's get practical. You know the what and the why, now here's the how. I'm going to give you a simple, step-by-step playbook. First up, blogging. Start by asking ChatGPT for keyword ideas related to your niche. Use a prompt like, "Give me 20 long-tail keywords for a blog about sustainable gardening for apartment dwellers." Once you have your keyword, prompt it to create a blog post outline. For example, create a detailed blog post outline for the keyword, "Best indoor composting bins for small apartments." Then, use another prompt to write the article section by section. This gives you more control. Write an engaging introduction for a blog post with this outline, followed by, "Now write the first section about the benefits of vermicomposting." Next, let's build your email funnel. Start with the lead magnet. Prompt, write a 10-page ebook outline for a beginner's guide to urban beekeeping. Then, have ChatGPT write each chapter. Once the ebook is done, you need the email sequence. Prompt, write a 5-part email nurture sequence for someone who downloaded my ebook on urban beekeeping. The goal is to build trust and eventually promote the Vivo BV102 Beehive Starter Kit. The AI will generate a welcome email, several value-based emails about bee health and honey harvesting, and a final promotional email with a clear call to action. You just need to load these into your email marketing service. Now for social media, which is all about creating content quickly, you can use ChatGPT to generate a whole month's worth of content in one sitting. Try this prompt. Act as a social media manager for a brand promoting eco-friendly kitchen gadgets. Create 30 days of social media content for Instagram. Include a mix of tips, questions, promotional posts for my affiliate products, and behind-the-scenes ideas. Provide relevant hashtags for each post. You'll get a content calendar you can copy and paste into your scheduling tool. This keeps your brand active and engaging without you having to come up with new ideas every single day. Finally, let's tackle YouTube, a huge traffic source for affiliates. Script writing can be tough, but not with AI. First, find a topic. Then, prompt ChatGPT. Write a 1,500-word YouTube video script for a top 5 budget laptops for college students review. The tone should be friendly, informative, and trustworthy. Include an introduction that hooks the viewer, a detailed review of each of the 5 laptops with pros and cons, and a concluding summary that tells viewers to check the affiliate links in the description. It will generate a full script, complete with suggestions for visuals, which you can then read from a teleprompter or use as a detailed guide for your video. Theory is great, but let's see how this works in the real world. Imagine a new affiliate marketer named Alex. Alex is passionate about home fitness but has a full-time job and a limited budget. So Alex decides to enter the niche of at-home workout equipment for small spaces. The goal is to promote products like adjustable dumbbells, resistance bands, and compact treadmills from Amazon associates. Without AI, this would take Alex months, if not years, of writing on weekends to get any traction. But Alex decides to use ChatGPT as a primary tool to accelerate the process and build a scalable system from the ground up. First, Alex uses ChatGPT for market research. The prompt is, what are the biggest challenges people face when trying to work out in a small apartment? The AI provides a list of pain points: lack of space, noise complaints from neighbors, and not knowing which equipment is effective and easy to store. This becomes the foundation of the content strategy. Alex then uses the AI to generate a list of 50 long-tail keywords based on these pain points, such as quietest apartment cardio machine and best foldable weight bench for storage. This initial research phase, which used to take weeks, is completed in about 2 hours. Next, Alex moves into mass content creation. For the blog, Alex uses ChatGPT to create outlines and first drafts for 20-pillar articles based on the keyword list. Alex's job is to edit these drafts, add personal anecdotes about working out at home, insert high-quality images, and strategically place affiliate links. For YouTube, Alex has the AI write scripts for top 3 and how-to videos, which are easier to film. A script for a video titled, "How to Set Up a Full Home Gym in a Studio Apartment for Under $300" is created in 20 minutes. Alex films the video on a smartphone, using the AI-generated script as a guide. To build an email list, Alex asks ChatGPT to create a simple lead magnet, a PDF checklist titled, "The 15 Must-Have Pieces of Compact Home Gym Equipment." Then the AI writes a 7-day email course on your first week of apartment workouts, which provides value and subtly recommends the affiliate products. Within 3 months, Alex has a website with 20 solid blog posts, a YouTube channel with 10 videos, and an email list that is growing daily. The blog posts and videos start ranking on Google and YouTube, driving free, organic traffic. The email funnel converts that traffic into buyers. 6 months in, Alex is earning a consistent $500 per month in affiliate commissions, a result that would have been nearly impossible to achieve so quickly without leveraging AI. ChatGPT is the powerful engine, but an engine needs a car to be useful. To build a truly efficient affiliate marketing machine, you need to pair ChatGPT with other essential tools. This combination of software is often called a tech stack. Your stack doesn't have to be complicated or expensive, especially when you're starting out. The goal is to choose tools that integrate well and automate as much of the process as possible, letting you focus on strategy and growth. Let's look at the key categories of tools you'll need to create a seamless workflow from content creation to conversion. First and foremost, you need a platform for your content. For most affiliates, this means a self-hosted WordPress website. It's the gold standard for a reason. It's flexible, powerful, and you have complete ownership of your content. You can use ChatGPT to write your blog posts, and then use WordPress plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math to help you optimize that content for search engines. These SEO plugins will analyze the text ChatGPT wrote and give you actionable suggestions to improve its chances of ranking on Google, ensuring your hard work actually gets seen by potential customers. Next, you need tools to enhance and analyze the content ChatGPT creates. For SEO and content optimization, a tool like SurferSEO or Phrase is invaluable. You can paste your ChatGPT-generated article into Surfer and it will compare it against the top-ranking pages for your target keyword. It'll tell you which related terms to add, what the ideal word count is, and how to structure your headings. For creating visuals, Canva is a must-have. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas for social media graphics or blog post images, and then use Canva's easy-to-use templates to bring those ideas to life in minutes, even if you have zero design skills. Finally, you need tools for traffic and monetization. An email marketing service is non-negotiable for building a long-term asset. ConvertKit or MailerLite are great options for beginners. You'll use them to build your email capture forms, manage your subscriber list, and send out the automated email sequences that ChatGPT helped you write. To schedule your social media posts, a tool like Buffer or Later can save you a huge amount of time. You can batch create a month's worth of posts with ChatGPT and then upload and schedule them all in one go. This combination of tools creates a powerful, semi-automated system for your affiliate business. While ChatGPT is an incredible tool, it's easy for beginners to make mistakes that can hurt their brand and their results. The biggest mistake I see is what I call copy, paste, and pray. This is when someone generates an article in ChatGPT and publishes it directly to their blog without any editing or fact-checking. This is a recipe for disaster. AI models can make up facts, use awkward phrasing, or produce generic, soulless content. You must always act as the editor-in-chief. Your job is to fact-check every claim, inject your unique personality and expertise, and ensure the content provides real value to your reader. Another common mistake is ignoring SEO fundamentals. Some people think that because they can create content so quickly with AI, they can just ignore things like keyword research and on-page optimization. That's a huge error. Creating content is only half the battle. Getting people to find it is the other half. You should still use traditional SEO tools to find low-competition keywords that people are actually searching for. Then use ChatGPT to create content that is specifically tailored to that keyword's search intent. Remember, AI is a tool to execute your strategy, not a replacement for having a strategy in the first place. A third mistake is creating a robotic and impersonal brand. Your audience wants to connect with a real person, not a machine. If all of your blog posts, emails, and social media updates sound like they were written by the same generic AI, people won't trust you. You need to develop a unique brand voice and apply it to everything you publish. Use ChatGPT's output as a starting point, then rewrite it in your own words. Add personal stories, opinions, and experiences. Share a photo of yourself actually using the affiliate product you're recommending. This human touch is your ultimate competitive advantage. Finally, avoid over-reliance on a single platform or tool. While ChatGPT is amazing, don't build your entire business on it without a backup plan. What if the tool changes, or its pricing model becomes too expensive? Diversify your skills. Your primary skill is not prompt engineering, it's marketing. Focus on learning the timeless principles of marketing, understanding your audience, building a brand, writing persuasive copy, and analyzing data. Use AI as a powerful assistant to help you apply these principles faster and more effectively, but never forget that you are the marketer, and the tools are just there to help you do your job better.